Hey friends, if you wish to enable backlit keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. You need to use a combination of the function key and the keys associated with your brand of computer. So for some computers it's F5, so for some computers it's F6, for some it's F10 or the right arrow key, but it depends. Some even have a dedicated backlight key, so you will have to consult the computer brand for this, but mostly, like in 95% cases, these four combinations can work: function key plus F5, function key plus F6, function key plus F10, function key plus right arrow key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.